Let's make a layout. Let's call it diode 12 by 12. Why did I pick 12 by 12? Minimum size. Go over here, pure layer, and we'll slap it down there, Control I. Oh, it's off a quarter. I'm going to put it on around 0. Say OK. Then I'm going to go change my layers to what? Or my components to what? Schematic. Drop down in. Oh, and I was wrong about this. It doesn't matter. It's smart enough. If you put a wire to a bus, it still connects. You don't have to put a 12-bit bus or whatever. It'll connect with a 1-bit bus, which is just a special case for a wire. So put that in there and then do a Control E, and then that is called the, how about cathode? They use K. Then expand. Go drop another one in someplace. Oh, let's put it right here. Do a Control E and call that the anode A. And let's do a Control I on that. And my X position, let's put 0. Okay, so I'm done with that. So let's do the, so that's part of it done. Pretty challenging, but if I give you this every day, you get to be electric gurus by the end of the semester. And when you do a complicated project, you can figure it out if you have problems. Okay, so now I go do what? Control N, schematic, same name. Let me pull this down. Diode underscore 12 underscore 12. I'm doing this on purpose. I'm not going to bore you, but I want to make sure that the icon works. Right? All right. So now you say, why not put this diode symbol in here? And I say, we don't want to do that because then that's one symbol for every single diode. And we want to have, for different areas, we want to have different diodes, okay? So I'm going to hit delete and then do what? Or I can hit fit. What's that? Yeah, that's right. You want to go to artwork, and I'm going to do it real fast. So I go to this, delete, and I'm just going to, let's make a, let's put something different down in there. Then press Y, and then move it around, and I'm going to make my little diode symbol. I don't like to do it sloppy because then somebody might copy it and say, that's the way you did it. Like, okay, so press Y again and then move that. Good enough. And then Y. You just press Y again. Oh. Okay, I don't know. That's my diode. I'm going to put a couple of what on there? Not artwork pins. So I'm going to go back and put, I'm going to put these pins on, one right there, and I'm going to call that don't all scream it at once. Yeah, cathode. And you know what? I think we can go back to the artwork and we can skip that step. Export. And then wire. Put that here. And then call that anode. Then I could go put my little wire in if I wanted to. I think we have to use this one. I'm not going to in the care about time. And so now I've got my symbol. Let's see. What do I want to do? I can put spice code in there. All right, let's do that. So if I go back to schematic, and then miscellaneous, spice code, Control I. Let me see. How How do I know the syntax for a diode? Look in chapter 2. Diode 1 from the anode to the cathode, and then its name. How about diode, or whatever the model is, all right? Now here's an important thing. When you write your SPICE code, you have to do a model statement in the SPICE code or else it won't pick up the model name. Okay, so that's why I'm going to do an icon here. All right, any questions? And let's do a Control C. Go back over to my Explorer. Oops. And then go back in here. Oops, here. Control V. Alright, so does it make sense for me to make an icon for this schematic right here? No, because it already is an icon. But let's make a new circuit. Let's